welcome back to Dee's Kitchen. So today we're going to fix oven roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon, one of my favorite recipes. So for this recipe you will need Brussels sprouts. You can use fresh or frozen, kosher salt, black pepper, olive oil, and 3 strips of bacon cut about 1 inch thick. Let's get started. Okay, so to start off, you're going to get a container and put your Brussels sprouts in. And for the ones who use fresh Brussels sprouts, I suggest you clean and maybe like trim the Brussels sprouts up. And if you have like really large ones, then like you can cut them in half. You can cut them in half, you know, just to condense down the cooking time. So we're gonna take about a tablespoon of olive oil and just drizzle it on here. Okay, and we're gonna put it in here, put the top on it, and we're gonna just give it a toss it around. Okay, like that. They all shiny. And because I did use frozen Brussels sprouts, I let mine thaw out, so that's why you don't see no ice or anything on them, because I did allow them to thaw out. Next, you want to take you depending on how many Brussels sprouts you have, I don't have that many, take you a nice size pan, and you want to layer it with aluminum foil. Like that. And you want to place the Brussels sprouts in here. You don't want them stacked, so you want them to be like a single layer. So I'm just gonna make sure they are even, like that. Yay, this is one of my favorite recipes. So I just have some extra, which I'm just gonna put it on top like that. And next I am going to sprinkle my kosher salt on top, whatever desired amount you want. You can do more, you can do less. I'm not gonna do too much. Okay, that's good, should be. Then you're gonna take your pepper, which I'm using ground pepper, grinder, fresh ground pepper. So I'm gonna take mine and I'm gonna sprinkle it. And by the way, I have my oven preheated at 400 degrees. Yes, 400. Okay. So we have our salt, we have our pepper. Next, you want to take your bacon pieces and you just want to like layer it on top, like no specific order, just lay it on top. You do not have to cover all the Brussels sprouts with bacon. It just so happened I have more bacon than I did Brussels sprouts, so mine's just covered. You can use less or more, whatever your heart's desire. So it looks like that. Now all we're gonna do is place this in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes. And about halfway, we're gonna turn them around and cook until like they're lightly golden brown. Here we go. We're just gonna place them in the oven. And once again, I have stated my oven is preheated at 400 degrees. So it's been about 15 minutes since we done put our Brussels sprouts in there. I'm just gonna take them out. They look really good. So I'm gonna take them out and just toss them around. Oh my goodness, they smell amazing. I cannot wait till they get done. So, toss them around like that. And we're gonna place them back in there for another 15 minutes. It's been another 15 minutes since we've done turned our Brussels sprout over. And this is what we have. The bacon is nice and crispy. Our Brussels sprouts are with a good brown color to them. That's what you want. Got it. Oven roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my oven roasted Brussels sprouts with bacon. As I stated before, this is one of my favorite ways of cooking Brussels sprouts. I have numerous ways of cooking Brussels sprouts, so I have more videos of how you can cook Brussels sprouts. So just stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye.